singing days.
Are the black versions of the same shoes?
You didn't have black before? You missed that?
I don't know,
literally
man.
an escalator. Did you see it? It was crazy. I thought you realized it. We like drove right under it.
I like saw the structure. I didn't know it was an escalator.
As per everyone's recommendations, is this what I want? No. This one? No. Too expensive. Ah, this one. Just like that, we've lost Daniel. Escalator update.
To generate more interest.
Really fascinated with this escalator.
I am. It's so cool. You never see shit like that. Urban life, baby. Well, unfortunately, I'm dumb and I cut myself on the blender. I don't even know how it happened. I'm gonna go put a band-aid on this because it's not stopping bleeding. Kind of concerning, but it's fine. And then I will show you guys my stool, which I never got to share. Ta-da! So a lot of you guys had said to do zebra, which I did on my sister's stool. But I was like, you know what? Been there, done that. I didn't want to do zebra also because I have this rug that kind of almost looks like a groovy zebra situation. Instead, I did this cute little peace sign thing because I've seen ones that have yin-yangs on them. And I just thought this is so cute. I need to put a gloss on it still. Unfortunately, I ran out of that, so we're just working with this in the meantime. But yeah, that's my little stool. Just goes to show you guys can definitely find things on the road now that it's spring, summer. There's so much furniture out on the road, so keep a lookout for that because I think it's a great way to like honestly spruce up your stuff just with like paint or spray paint. I've just been editing for hours, and something I've realized recently is I'm a good night editor. I decided to up the vibes in here, and let me just show you what we're working with here. I don't know if the camera's gonna do it justice. It's a freaking vibe, ladies and gentlemen. It is a good vibe. My little groovy cave. Got the candle. She's almost gone. I need to get another one. Those are the best candles. They're also super cute. So just like, you know, pop in and let you know. This is what I do after 10 p.m. if anyone was ever wondering. Guys, this is 100% my best work yet. Okay, taste test.
Do it.
Don't have much time to vlog because Rachel is on her way, but I don't really know what's going on with my face. I'm like in between having on a tan and just being super naturally pale because I haven't seen the sun in a long ass time. So it's always a weird combination of what I put on my face during this awkward time period. Anyways, hopefully it doesn't look awful. I mean, I'm gonna be wearing a mask probably most of the time anyways. I will update you. I think we're gonna go on a walk, do a little picnic action maybe. I don't know. It's one of those like randomly beautiful days again. I was just going to grab like a picnic blanket and I literally still have Rachel's bag that I shoved my stuff in when we were coming back from Florida about a year ago. So I'm gonna give that to her today.
By the end of it, one of the guys was like, you know, maybe he just wants to use his platform to make sure that people are hearing this. You know, I know for me.
Well, today took a wild turn. It's April Fool's Day. Toronto's going into some other lockdown, even though we never left a lockdown. And Daniel and I are going to look at a house. So that's the crazy life I'm living right now.
That is actually different from the lockdown, and how is that going to have any impact on cases? What are the significant differences?
So I was gonna put this in the video that you guys are gonna see that I'm filming for. It's a thrift haul. It's a thrift with me. But I realized it was freaking long, so we're gonna speed that up and I'm gonna do this thrift flip, attempt this thrift flip that I saw on TikTok, but I can't find the original. Beep. We're using a makeup brush, cup of bleach, cheers, don't drink that, and hoping for the best here. My brain is just all mixed up today between booking vaccines, schools closing, having weird Instagram shopper. I don't even know. I'm just gonna shut up and do this. Sorry if this video is a little random. It truly is like the biggest life update because, you know, all of a sudden we're back into this weird lockdown. The weather's really nice. I was PMSing, which definitely made me take a few days off. So I'm going to be ending this vlog with a little unboxing in a second. I just have to go to the post office, pay my duties. Finally, tomorrow's vlog, or the next vlog, is going to be me test driving a car. So that's what I'm doing this morning, and some other very uplifting things are happening as well. So I'm very excited about that, but just thought I'd fill you guys in here while Daniel's asleep and my coffee is brewing. And the mouse. That really unfortunately set the tone for the week. I'm here in the crime scene. Honestly, I didn't come in here for like a solid probably over 24 hours besides cleaning it up because that was one of the toughest things I've had to physically do. I'm not even being dramatic. I guess you guys can put two and two together. I'm not used to seeing dead things, dead animals, and it was just not a great way to kickstart the week. But you know what? We're over it. Okay, vlog people. This vlog ended up being a little bit more uneventful than I hoped, but you know, the weeks are just really random at this point. I did actually get stuff in the mail for the first time in a long time because I feel like I wasn't shopping in lead up to my birthday. I was just kind of like, okay, whatever happens, happens. I don't want to buy myself too many gifts. There's really no need for it right now, but I got some stuff from Aritzia, Society 6, to finally finish off our bedroom, so that video will be coming soon. I wanted to go to local shops, but they're closed again. So Starface, I'm sure you all know this brand by now, sent over their pimple patches, which I've already been using here in the bathroom because I don't really know if those work or if they're just making myself look cuter than I would with my pimples on. So either way, whatever. I did use their pore strips, which I can confirm lifted some shit out of my nose that I didn't know was there. Face wash foaming cleanser. I'm using the Youth to the People one right now though, so I'll probably save that till I run out. Cocoa Kind also sent over some products. Can confirm these are really good. The chlorophyll mask, I had that on the other night, and the resurfacing sleep mask. Whatever this combo was, my skin felt hella smooth after. They also sent over their texturizing smoothing cream, their oat milk cleanser, so I'm literally stocked on the cleansers, and the sunscreen, which is great because I need to start wearing sunscreen. Probably a little too late for that, but better late than never. Thank you to both of these brands for sending that stuff over. So generous. I also really love the green tea, the matcha lip balm by Cocoa Kind. It's really good. You can get it at Shoppers Drug Mart in Canada, which was a pleasant surprise when I saw that. This is all stuff I purchased, just so y'all know. So I got 2 pillow shams. I guess that's what you call them. Yeah, pillow shams. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They feel a little weird, but how sick is that? It's kind of like a zebra, but also kind of like a groovy. Yeah, it's a zebra because you can see like the texturing in the wave. These were actually pretty affordable, so I'm nervous about this one, but clearly I'm into orange and like balance, peace, all that kind of stuff right now, which I feel like many people have kind of jumped on during quarantine. Do we like it? You guys are seeing it before me. It's huge. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, not really too sure why there's a line right here though. Ugh, kind of annoying. I guess the way it was printed on, there was like a line, which is kind of shitty. And then I bought a couple things at Aritzia. These were all purchased by myself. This bodysuit was something I've been wanting since last year because I got the short version of it, but the back was too low and like I didn't really like the way that the shorts cut on my thighs. So I got the Wilfred, I don't know what it's called, but this is the bodysuit. I think it's super flattering. I got it in a size small. I just wore it on a walk. It is amazing. So comfortable. Not wearing a bra with it. I feel like you could size down in this just because the straps are not adjustable and I did not know that. So it is like a little bit, if I'm not wearing a bra, like it's a little bit low, but whatever. It hasn't stretched out too much, which is good. But usually I'd probably get a medium in something like this, but I'm very glad that I got a small. I also picked up a ton of their masks for Daniel and I because we really, really like their masks. I can confirm that the face mask petite, the like trifold one, is the best. They're just cotton and they're super breathable, but they're still protective. So I got hot pink, I got light pink, which I wore on the walk, which I'll put here. And then this one's kind of like one of those ones that goes up on your nose. Got that for Daniel, but I don't know if it's gonna fit him. And lastly, I just got this tank top because I really like the Aritzia tank tops. They're made well. They just like get the cropping right on them, and I liked the blue and the white on this, and didn't know there was a TNA symbol. But bringing me back to my middle school days. Oh yeah, the jeans, the star of the show. I really needed a good pair of like boot cut flare jeans. I was trying to thrift them on my birthday, if you guys saw that vintage vlog, but it just wasn't happening for me. So I'd seen that the Denim Form, which is the Aritzia house label brand, started a sustainable denim line, which I think is really cool. So I decided to pick up a pair. This is a new style, I believe, for them. It's the Bailey High Rise Boot. I got them in a 26 waist, 32 length, and I will obviously try them on here for you guys to see. They're like a really nice wash, obsessed with the wash, obsessed with the leg. They're a little high for my liking. I'm like in the middle of so many denim styles right now and finding out what I like best. I'm also like not in the best shape right now because I haven't moved in the last few months, so maybe my opinion of these will change in the summer. But they're a little high and they don't look the greatest on the butt. So those are my two cons with them. I think I'm gonna keep them though because I really like the leg. But as you guys can see here, whenever the pockets are like off to the side and they're huge, generally not gonna be the most flattering on the booty. But I need to try them on with like the right outfit. I'll try them on with the tank so you guys can see and confirm if I'm gonna keep them or not, but regardless, this was a hit. One last thing that just happened to come in the mail. It was a great mail day. It smells delicious. So I'm sure you guys have seen the Bubbly Candles that have been all over Instagram and Pinterest. So a gal that I know from Montreal, her name's Taylor, her and her friend started making them, and oh my gosh, hold on. I'm gonna show you guys like the packaging because the packaging's really good. They know what they're doing. Great business model. So stinking cute. I shouldn't say stinking because it smells amazing. But they just came out with their spring fling collection. Huge into candles too right now. I don't know what it is. So these are so exciting. They also have a little match set. Like, hello, attention to detail. So stinking cute. So thank you, Taylor. Thank you, Smellies. Definitely check them out. I like want to eat this one. I already started filming next week's vlog. It's a lot more exciting than this one. Might be headed into a car dealership, guys. Might be road tripping, might be making some big moves. So make sure you guys are subscribed, stay tuned, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah!